How to send money on Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply guide you on how you can send money on Venmo using the app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to send money on Venmo, first of all launch the Venmo app from the home screen on your iPhone or Android phone. In the top right hand corner of the screen, tap the payment icon, which looks like a pen and a pad with a money symbol. This is where you can send and request money. After you tap on that specific icon, next in the text box enter the username of the person you want to pay. You can also find them in your list of friends by scrolling down. If you enter in the name of someone who you've never sent money to before, you'll be asked to confirm that you're choosing the right person. And after that, what you need to do is to simply enter the amount that you want to send. Here, you can also write a brief memo or description of what the payment is for. You can also alter who can see the payment by tapping the icon near the bottom of the page that reads Friends, Public or Private. Once you've filled out the payment amount and memo, select Pay. Now for the final step, you can specify how you would like to pay. Choose here between credit or debit cards or bank accounts and a link to your Venmo account. And once you do that, if everything looks good, tap Pay at the bottom of the page. You will then receive a confirmation email and the transaction will appear on your Venmo profile page and in your feed. And that's all it takes to send money using Venmo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.